I'm Charles McCain. The book I'm going to review now is called U-Boat Warfare, The Evolution of the Wolf Pack by Jack Melman Scholl. Jack Melman Scholl is one of the top U-boat historians in the world. His father served in the German U-boat arm in World War II and was killed in action. Jack actually grew up in England. But he probably knows more about U-boats than anybody in the world. And I don't know him personally. I've had email correspondence with him because there's not a book on U-boats that have U-boats in them, like my novel or any nonfiction book, where you don't see Jack acknowledged because he's very generous with his advice. But what he talks about here is how the Germans came up with this concept of creating what they would do is, one U-boat would sight an Allied convoy. And what it would do is just follow that convoy and call in a lot of other boats, which was the wolf pack. The Germans themselves did not use that phrase. The Americans and the British did. But nonetheless, it took a while for the Germans to figure out this was a rational way to do this, and it took a while before they had enough U-boats to do it. And tracing this strategy is quite fascinating if you want to understand the destructive power of the U-boats against these convoys and how it increased so much during the early parts of the war. I give it 5 stars, U-Boat Warfare, The Evolution of the Wolf.